Hi and welcome to this Key Learning Initiative video. Today's topic is straight line geometry and we're talking about adjacent angles on a straight line. Before we get going, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video so that more and more people can get some help. But let's look at today's lesson. Now we start off with a bit of an explanation. Now, from our previous video, we know that if we go all the way around a point, it adds up to 360 degrees. So, if we only go halfway round, not the full way round, that'll be 360 divided by 2. And that will give us 180 degrees. So, angles on a straight line will equal 180 degrees. Now the abbreviation for that is angles on a straight line. You might have seen the abbreviation adjacent angles on a straight line, also fine, but angles on a straight line is all you need. Let's put this into practice with some examples. Example 1. Determine the magnitude or the size of y1. Alright, there we have our drawing with 110 degrees and y1 on the right hand side. Let's look at our structure, statement and reason. So, whenever we're doing this type of thing, what I would suggest is that you use a straight line. And so if we highlight that line over there, we can see what would add up to 180 degrees. Because it's a straight line, we know straight away that 110 plus y1 will equal 180 degrees. Let's write that down as our statement. So, y1 plus 110 degrees equals 180 degrees. How can I say that, or why can I say that? Well, it's angles on a straight line. Now to get what y is equal to, we use basic equations. And so we have y, and then I subtract 110 from the left hand side and the right hand side, and 180 minus 110 will give you 70 degrees. And that is y1. Let's look at example 2. Determine the magnitude or the size of angle ABC. And here is my diagram. Again, we have 92 and they want us to figure out how big ABC or the angle ABC is. So let's put in our structure, our statement and our reason. Now we use our straight line test for want of a better name. We have here a straight line and we know that any angles on the straight line will add up to 180 degrees. Therefore my statement is angle ABC plus 92 degrees will equal 180 degrees. How can I say that? Well, my reason is angles on a straight line. Next, I use basic equations to figure out how big angle ABC is. I subtract 92 from both sides and I get angle ABC equals 88 degrees. Let's look at example 3. Determine the magnitude or the size of angle O1. Now we've got three angles. We've got a 52, a O1 and a 62. Let's set out our structure and now let's see if we can use our straight line. And if we draw one there nice in yellow, we can see we have a straight line. Hopefully at this stage you know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, I can write in my statement 52 plus 01 plus 62 degrees equals 180 degrees. How can I say that? Well, my reason for saying that is angles on a straight line. Now, to figure out how big O1 is, we use simple equations again. So, O1 plus 114 degrees equals 180. I get 114 by adding 52 degrees and 62 degrees. Now, to get what O1 is, I have to subtract 114 degrees from both sides, and so I get O1 equals 66 degrees. Let's look at our final example, example 4, and here we introduce a bit of algebra. Determine the magnitude or the size of x. Let's put our structure down, our statement and reason. Now we look for a straight line, and there it is. Now I know that if I add all my angles together that are on a straight line, they're going to equal 180 degrees. So 2x plus 3x plus x all equal 180 degrees. So if I add them all up, I get 180 degrees. My reason for that? Angles on a straight line. Now I do basic equations to figure out how big x is. So 2x plus 3x plus x gives me 6x, and that equals 180 degrees. Now, I don't want to know what 6x is, I want to know what x is by itself. And to do that, I divide both sides by 6. So 6x divided by 6 is just x, and 180 divided by 6 is 30 degrees. And so x is equal to 30 degrees. So thank you for watching this Key Learning Initiative video on straight line geometry, where we've looked at adjacent angles on a straight line. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and to like and share. Please, your comments are always welcome. Also, if there's a topic that you want me to do a video on, please leave it in the comments section and I will do it. I hope this video has been helpful. Have a great day.